What are you doing?
Drawing.
What are you drawing?
Grass and grasshopper.
Grass and grasshopper? What else?
Frog and cat.
What color is your cat?
That's paper. Spoon and paper.
Yeah. Is your cat orange?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why is your cat orange?
Orange colors frog.
The frog. What are you doing now?
Bugger.
Oh no! What does the cat say?
Meow meow.
Meow meow. Do you like coloring?
Yeah. Painting.
You're painting?
Yeah.
That's such a pretty picture you're making. What are you doing? What are you doing? Say, I'm a painter.
I'm a cat.
Oh, you're a cat. Whoa, whoa, you're putting brown on your face. Whoa. Say meow, meow. Don't eat your crayon. Meow, meow. What are you?
I'm a cat.
You're a cat? Color your picture. Say bye everyone. I'm a painter. Say bye everyone.
Bye.
I love you. Say I love you.
I love you.